Today I am showing you a simple method of buying followers. You can buy followers on Instagram, subscribers on YouTube, and all social media services. The first step, I will open my browser. Open your browser and search for likes.co.ke. Search for it. The result that appears, likes.co.ke. Open it. You will need to create an account if you don't have an account. So click on sign up. You can see you've successfully signed up. You are taken to your dashboard. Next, you need to add funds to your account. Click on the three lines at the top right. Click on add funds. Make an order. I want to add the minimum, which is 300 shillings. And I will input my M-Pesa number starting with 254. I click on the yes, I understand. I won't ask for fraudulent dispute. And then I click on pay. I input my PIN. And the payment was successful. You can see my account has $2.31. The next step is to make the order. I will click on the three lines. I click on new order. I want Instagram followers. I click on category. In the category, I select Instagram followers, refill guaranteed. In the service, you choose one that is not written bot. So I don't want bots, I want real followers. So you can see this Instagram followers refill 60 days. In the link section, because I want followers, I will go and get the link to the profile. Let me show you. I open Instagram. I want to buy followers for this account. So I click on the three lines. I click on copy profile URL. I go back to the website and paste the link there. The quantity, I want 1000. So I am ordering for 1000. I click on yes, I confirm the order and click on place order. It says the order has been placed successfully. So you just wait for like 3 minutes. Let us have a look. Right now we have 10.3k followers. You can see right now it's already 10.4k. If I refresh, it is 10.5k followers. You can see it is increasing. I will also make an order for likes. So for likes, I will use post link. This post has 4,292 likes. So I want to order for more likes. I click on this, copy link. I go back to the browser, but this time I select Instagram likes. So I select Instagram likes, choose service. Don't choose the cheapest service. At least you choose number 3 on the list. In the link section, you just paste the link. Quantity, you input the number of likes that you want and click on yes, I confirm, and then you place order. Now let us look at it. The post, it had 4,292 likes. You can see the likes have also increased. Right now there are 4,570 likes. They're still increasing. 4,758 likes. The followers will also increase. The process is the same if you want any other service, YouTube views, TikTok, every other service. This is the same process. Facebook, YouTube, every single service that you may think of, the services are here and the procedure is the same. If you have any challenges, just click on this button here and then you contact the support. They'll be able to assist you.